Oh! We're back at Pocket Watch Studios, but it seems as though someone is missing.
Who could it be?
Hey guys. Hey, I'm so glad to see you. Listen, I'm gonna play this game with you guys. It's called Do Not Hit the Human. One person is gonna stand there with their arms like this in between the dots, and you guys are gonna take donuts. You can slingshot them, use a tennis racket, whatever you're feeling, and then you're gonna sling it towards the person, but don't hit the person. Blue dots gives you 5 points, red dots gives you 10 points, but if you hit the person, you lose points, okay?
How many points?
5. Okay.
5 points.
5.
We're not playing in teams, it's gonna be individually, so how about 1, 2, 3, and 4?
Men.
You
I'm
guys
good with
ready?
that.
Let's do it!
Let's do it!
All right, just let me,
If you eat donuts, do you lose points?
no.
Okay.
Okay, remember Jetta, do not hit the human.
Woo! Sorry, was it hit the human?
No.
Hit the human as hard as I can.
Just go.
And...
I'm so scared!
Go straight ahead, because if you turn your head, I might hit your head.
Do it,
Look
Jetta!
right at me. Oh, that was close.
You're like a circus performer. Keep
Okay.
it going.
Sports!
Woo! Did it hit? Woo!
I'm gonna stick to the tennis racket because I think that's working for me. I'm doing nut first.
Just go, Jetta!
Do it!
Woo!
Nope.
It did hit you. No points.
But you can't hit me now.
Straight to the face.
That was right to my. I'm so
That
sorry.
did hit my side.
I did hit the human. I hit her. I hit the human. This is like heavy. Wow. Final donut. Jelly on my side. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I backpedaled a little bit and I ended up with 0 points. I'm so afraid.
All right, so the first one I'm gonna start out with is the donut hole. Are you ready, Jetta?
I don't know.
Now or never?
How about never?
Nope.
Oh my God, it looks like you're.
Oh! Can I get the blue one?
Yeah, you got it.
I hit the blue?
Yeah.
5 points.
Wow. That was pretty impressive.
All right, on
I'm
to the
feeling a
next
little bit
one.
more comfortable.
The cake donut. Oh, wow, that came so much faster. You got the crumble donut. Yummy.
Ah!
Nothing.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
All right, final one, jelly filled. Woo! Let's do it. Let's do it.
Got me in the neck. I've been shot.
I got a whopping 5 points.
All right, I'm up next, and Eddie's on the wall.
On the wall, bounce ball, better than a mall. Woo! Never fall.
Wow.
On the wall, bounce ball, better than a mall.
Wow.
On the wall, bounce ball. On the wall, bounce ball. On the wall, bounce ball.
Eddie's on the wall.
Never fall. Never fall. Never fall. Never fall.
That was adorable.
All right, Eduardo, enough with the nursery
Okay.
rhymes. Let's get to business.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Did it hit?
No.
No.
Nope.
Ooh.
Yes.
Captain America. Ooh. Oh, that shattered time and space.
I feel like, you know, in the video games when you pick your characters.
Choose your fighter.
Next up, we're getting nutty, Eddie.
Right in the chest. He's been shot.
He's face first in a pile of donuts, guys. Get back up there.
Alright, back up.
5 points for Dalton.
Don't hit me with this one.
Last round, Dalton.
Last round.
Make
Ready?
it.
Oh.
Yeah!
I live to see another day.
Yes!
Oh, look at this, Dalton.
And that was the.
Eat it.
Okay. Right. So I finished out with 15 points.
Good job, Dalton.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure I can beat you, though.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna hit me.
All right, it's my turn to do the last round, and my human on the wall is Dalton. Okay, I've never really operated a slingshot.
Oh, that is that.
Oh my God! I don't know. I blacked out.
Ooh!
Oh God! You hit me.
But I also hit the dots. So I think that should count.
-5.
Ah.
Oh my!
Sorry.
So I'm gonna say -5.
So it looks like I didn't win any of those rounds. So what happens now?
All right, so Isabella lost a lot to a little, more or less. She's on the wall, and we're about to throw a bunch of donuts at her.
Who won?
Dalton won with a whopping, tell him how many points.
15.
15 points! Wow!
On your mark, get set, go!
Ah!
Yeah!
Ah! Una más! Make it rain. Ah!
It's raining sugar.
I have officially lost, and I've been punished for losing this.
Donut hit the human.
The game in which
Donut,
you
donut.
introduced to us, actually.
Yeah, well,
full
I
circle.
introduced it because I thought I would win. Please comment below and follow us.
Give us some other ideas on what you want to see us do.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
See you next time.